This week's book is You Make Me Happy. I chose this book this week because we are starting the theme Animals in the Wood and in honor of Martin Luther King Jr. because he wanted everyone to love one another and everyone to be included no matter what they look like, no matter the color of their skin. He believed that we should all love one another, and I agree. You make me happy. You make me happy, you make me sing. There's a bounce in my footstep, like bunnies in spring. You make me happy, like birds taking flight, like a wonderful twinkling, like morning's first light. The things that you do, the things that you say, fill me with sunshine and brighten my day. You're so full of wonder, I'm full of surprise. We see things afresh through each other's eyes. You show me the fun in whatever we find. We know we look silly, but hey, we don't mind. You love to be cheeky, you know that you do. But I can't seem to ever stay grumpy with you. Whenever you hug me so tight and so sweet, my toes start to tingle, my heart skips a beat. When the going gets tough and life makes me frown, when my heart starts to sink like the sun going down, you bring me back. You bring back the sunshine and out of the blue, you make me laugh with the things that you do. I find that I'm giggling, I find that I'm glad, I find that I'm smiling, no time to be sad. And when I look into your bright sparkly eyes, there's a song in my heart, there are stars in the skies. Whoop, upside down. You make me happy, you make me new. Together there's nothing that we can't do. Look. You make me happy and hopeful and strong. And right by your side is where I belong. The end.